that this post-mortem could not have taken place after 6 o'clock in the evening. There are standing instructions. Everything, my lord, will just kindly take the post-mortem report once and just give me 2 minutes. I will show your lordships how this entire investigation has been compromised. After 6 o'clock in the evening, a post-mortem cannot be conducted anywhere in India and in the state of Bengal when it is a rape and murder. There has to be a noting of the civil surgeon on the post-mortem report that the Deputy Commissioner of Police or the Commissioner of Police has certified it. Then it has to go to the superintendent. Superintendent certifies it and then sends it to the post-mortem doctors. These 3 post-mortem doctors, one of whom is a professor of forensics, my lord, knows this, but still, what is the reason? The reason was to get rid of the body. What Justice Pardiwala was continuously asking, the GD entry number 576, my lord will ask them to show Form 27. And I'll answer Justice Pardiwala's questions in 1 minute. Form 27, please. Form 27 is the first information report. In the first information report, there are various columns. Column 3, C2 gives the GD entry number.
Column C?
C2 gives the GD entry number by which the FIR was started. The FIR was started by GD entry number 577. The UD case was 576, as pointed out by Justice Pardiwala. It was registered at 11:40 in the night, 45 in the night. But in the history,
That was better the last time also.
in the history, in my last 27 years in my career, I have never come across a case where seizure takes place prior to the lodging of the FIR.
The FIR has been registered at 23:30 hours.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, there was a previous FIR.
Along with
The FIR has been suppressed.
If you see,
I will show it.
3 doctors sign off on it.
unorthorized
I will show on the
6:10 to 7:10. Let him say.
Let him complete his submission.
Dead body arrives 6:10.
Mr. Counsel, please complete your submission. Yes.
My lord will kindly take once. My lords will kindly take section.
On the, just tell us on the facts, what are you saying?
My lord will kindly take the post-mortem report and compare it with the UD case which was started. In the post-mortem report, the lordships will see whether the clothes of the victim were produced before the post-mortem doctor. The entire, the jeans, the top, the undergarments, everything was produced or not. Because as per the, I'll show the notification, they have to be sealed by the post-mortem doctor and handed over to the investigating officer. If your lordship sees in the top whether the clothes were sent to the investigating officer of the UD case by the post-mortem doctor, I will kindly ask them to just give a copy of it.
Of the postmortem.
Postmortem. And allow me to place.
We've handed over the postmortem.
We have seen the postmortem report. Just show us the postmortem report.
We've handed it over.
Either the state of Bengal or the CBI.
Well,
We saw it last time, but since
Yes.
he's making a point, let's appreciate what the point is.
The parents wanted. We had a list of demands, including the parents.
So
postmortem report doesn't even say at what time it is conducted.
Give it to us.
I'm sorry, that too.
yeah, it says that at the time everything is there. I don't know why you're making these.
Please tell us what the time of death is.
It's
Just
a
1 second.
condition of
Take out copy.
the subject. Millers, your lordships will find on the left hand side.
Lordships will kindly see at the top.
Right.
First will be the videograph. Conducted by whom? No designation. Who is he? From where did he come? Nothing. Was the
Conducted
CD
by Shekhar.
on a
Shekhar.
rewritable CD or was it a non-rewritable CD? It has to be mentioned on the first line of the postmortem report.
Millers, the judicial magistrate was present during
is
postmortem
immaterial.
call for his report.
All the 3 doctors are part of the,
5 female doctors were present.
all are part of the North Bengal lobby.
Family.
Don't discuss such things here. Please.
My lord will kindly see the second line. It has to be at 4 degrees centigrade.
The postmortem report refers to Tala PS UD case number 861,
Yes.
dated 9 August 2024.
Yeah.
No, that's where the mystery lies, because between 2:30 in the afternoon, when they say the GD entry was lodged, that is 5:65, and 11:30 in the night, there are only 10 GD entries in Tala police station. Lordship should kindly appreciate that. Between 2:30 and in the afternoon and 11:30 in the night, there are only 10 GD entries. Or was this entire thing manufactured? And Maharaj, this started way back in 1953. It was the first case in Bengal where GD entries are manufactured.
Know that, what he said. Everything will be clear. The judicial magistrate witnessed all this. Call for that report.
Not on magistrate or this.
I say it makes no difference.
Give me a minute.
My lord,
Please have a-
every police station has
a
a
minute.
natural
Makes
death.
no difference, he said.
Sorry.
So kindly have a look at left-hand side bottom, the finding. In the case of wounds, not note whether there is any indication of wounds being homicidal, etc. Then the report is death was due to effects of manual strangulation
Yeah.
associated with smothering, as noted above. Now, please see manner of death, homicidal. There is a medical evidence of forceful penetration, insertion in her genitals,
Yes.
possibly of sexual assault.
Correct.
And see, my lord, the FSL report. My lord, I have marked, my lord, two,
CFS.
my lord, seized items.
Just give us that.
Given that, I'll just,